The Dodge Charger name is a historical one associated with performance. With four-door flexibility, the Dodge Charger SRT8 is a sophisticated, versatile muscle car that excites at every turn. The 425 bhp that the 6.1-liter Hemi V8 generates makes it equally as powerful as the legendary Hemi engines of the muscle car era. The Dodge Charger also features an electronic stability control designed to assist drivers during extreme steering maneuvers. Prominent wheel arches house the familiar 5-spoke aluminum wheels, while the aggressive front grille, broad-shouldered fenders, and sloping fastback roofline allow the Dodge Charger to dominate the road in style.
Mm-hmm. 11 o'clock, who's ringing my phone? I'm just cool, laid back like Nina Simone. I don't recognize the number though, so I let the number go, then I text the number, yo. Who's this? What's happening? Who's hollering? While I'm stretched back, maxing in. Text reads, yo, something's going on. Then I think you should reach, cause something's going on. I can smell a party 10 miles away. Blindfolded, locate, ran the Alizé. So you know I gotta reach. Get just white kicks, new era color beach. And that's fresh, fresh, fresh. I'm ready for the stickiness, yes, yes, yes. I jump up, move straight to my car. Start drive, text back, yo, tell me where you are. Stop right by the door, it's a house and a club, I never seen this before. You remember eyes wide shut, this is eyes wide open, make my eyes light up. Knock, knock, yep, let me come in. Ain't a list from your that they know you go in. The door's open to a beautiful sight. Dance fresh like linen, those pearls are nice whites. Cartoon from ceiling to floors, from window to walls, from decks onto doors. Shorty Blitz was cutting the hits. I didn't see Rodney B, but I bumped to the skits. Now I'm deep in the middle, real tight like a huddle. Hold down, spelling trouble. I'm surrounded by 99 girls and at least 97 could run from this world. Yep, it's a sushy one, but I don't care what you egg of me. One, I like them crisp but humble. Know how to handle themselves in the jungle. Prefer a waitress, she grounded. Love to roll big, but she respect when she's rounded. Yeah, that's a diamond in the dirt, call it diamond. And this dance is flawless. 18 rooms and the floor's enormous. I'm whining superbly, but this Miss Gorgeous. Wanna come, text me up, I'll call you after the chorus.
Start, come on.